Hey YouTube, it's Afia Santua and I'm here with another video. And in this video I'm showing you how I prep my hair for protective styling with an avocado deep conditioning mask that is completely homemade. So stay tuned. Original. This first step is optional, but I tend to make a mess, so I just wanted to get some old newspaper to put on the floor. And there you can see the avocado mask that I put. I didn't show the making process of it because it's pretty easy. You can see the consistency is pretty thick, but I will tell you and also put in the description box what exactly went into it. I know that your mind so they be stalling, and I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling, and you always hold me down. So included in this mix was one ripe avocado, some olive oil, and some castor oil, and that was basically it. I made it to like a thick paste consistency, and I mixed it using a hand mixer, a manual one, not the electronic one. And I put it in the fridge because I wasn't yet ready to use it, and that's how it kind of got its thickness as well, sitting for a little bit. That feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to die. The benefits of avocado in the hair are plentiful. Basically, it's full of multivitamins, it's full of minerals, it helps with thinning hair, it helps with scalp dryness, it helps give moisture, and it helps with growth, all things that I'm aiming for. So, and castor oil helps with thickness, and olive oil with moisture. Basically what I'm doing in these clips is just breaking it through my hair section by section and making sure it's getting through each and every single strand of my hair thoroughly, and that's why it's taking so long. When I'm done with the section, I just put it into a twist, and as I'm putting it into the twist, I add even more of the mask onto my strands just to make sure it's fully saturated. So you'll see that in another clip with another section of hair, but that's how I apply it. And I leave it in for about, well, in this instance I left it in overnight, but you can leave it in for 20 minutes and then continue your wash day after that. But I wanted to make this an overnight mask for me. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. To me, one of the biggest cons, and I bring it up now because you can see it the best in this clip, is the thick clumps that you can get with the avocado, and this is basically because I didn't mix it well. I think if I use an electric hand mixer, it'll become way more smooth and way more like an actual paste. This would kind of have some chunks, which I didn't really like, but it was still easy to wash out. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on the pump, put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind so they be stalling, and I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling, and you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. This is the next morning. I'm just showing you right before I wash it out and how many layers of things I had on my head. I had on that green cap, I had on that blue scarf, I have on a plastic bag with the headband over it, and that headband kind of protects any leakage from getting on my bed and my sheets and all of that. But that's how my hair looks, and it feels nice and soft. It felt really great. I didn't want to wash it out, but of course I had to, and I have a clip coming up to see how my hair looked afterwards. And that's about it. So it really was a great prep for me to get a lot of moisture in my hair right before I'm getting into protective styling, and it's definitely something that I plan to continue to incorporate. I'll just let the music play at this point, but thank you so much for watching, and make sure to share this video with all your friends and family. I'm for me girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money so they sing for me girl. Wine for me girl, she a wine for me man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me, bad man them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it.